Chinese checkers, how to play. The object of the game is to get all your marbles to the opposite triangle first. Lay out the board, and each player picks a color and fills in an outer triangle point of the star-shaped board with their 10 colored marbles as follows. In a 2-player game, players are across from each other. For 3 players, use every other triangle. For 4 players, players pick 2 opposing pairs of triangles. And for 6 players, every triangle is used. You can also play where multiple players control multiple sets of pieces or with teams. Set up those games as shown here. Pick a player to go first, then play proceeds clockwise. On your turn, move one of your marbles to any adjacent empty space, or jump an adjacent marble from any player to an empty space directly beyond it, so long as the jump is in a straight line. You are not allowed to jump more than one marble, but you are allowed to string together any number of subsequent jumps in a single turn if you want. You don't have to jump if you don't want to, and you can choose to only perform some of the jumps in a series and not all of them. After moving your marbles, your turn ends and the next player goes. Once a marble reaches its opposite triangle, it may not be moved out of that triangle, only within it. You are not allowed to move into an opponent's triangle that isn't directly across from you, but you are allowed to jump through an opponent's triangle, ending your turn elsewhere. The first player to get all their marbles to their opposite triangle wins, or if one or more spaces in that triangle contain opponent's pieces, then you win when you occupy every available space.